Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'll cover some of the important updates and some of your queries regarding the arcade program, like whether you should participate with new account or old account, how to claim the prizes, when the prize is opening, and most importantly some of the important tips and tricks regarding the upcoming games and skill badges. So let me just cover everything in detail, and make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video, and also hype the video too. So first of all, we'll cover the first query that is most asked regarding the old versus new account. Okay, old versus new account, a lot of you are asking. So if you have participated in any of the events, like if you have participated in the arcade program itself, okay, arcade program in 2022, 2025, or even in 2024, then you need to create a new account. In case you participated in other events like Study Jam, Gen AI, Academy, then you need to create a new account. Okay, in simple words, if you're participating in the cohort of the 2026, okay, then you should participate with a single account, and you have to participate with a new account. New account means the Gmail can be old also, and here your new skills boost profile should be there. Now how to create, it's very simple. For example, I'm just showing you. You have to just go to skills.google.com directly. Okay, skills.google.com, you have to open on a new tab. From there you'll see an option to join, like this. Just click on the join and just sign in, enter your date of birth and agree all the terms and condition, and your account will be created. After that, all you have to do, just make your profile public. Okay, how to do all the steps, I have shared the links in the description. Okay, you can watch the videos and understand. I have covered in Hindi and English too. You will be able to find all the things over there. Now coming over here to the second query that a lot of you are asking regarding the arcade program is that should we create multiple accounts or not? Like, I want to claim more goodies, so can I create multiple accounts on my name or any of my family members' name? So no, multiple accounts are not allowed. You are not allowed to create multiple accounts, but even if you create, they'll just cancel your order. So participate with single account, and if any of your brother and sister wants to participate, then their orders won't be cancelled. Okay, they will be able to claim the swags, and yes, you can use. The another query is that I have only one laptop or I don't have a laptop. So for people who already have laptop, you can use the single laptop to participate in this event. And for the people who don't have a laptop, how to participate, how to register in this program, I have already covered in mobile. How to do all the things in mobile, I have shown you the requirements and all the things. You can watch those videos also. I have attached all the videos in the video description. From there you can see and understand and complete the particular challenges one by one and participate in this program. Now the third query is regarding, we have covered the first query regarding old versus new. Second query was regarding multiple account. Let me just write it so that you are able to understand and recall also. Okay, not allowed. Now the third query we have covered. Third query we will be covering, that is regarding the most important thing that a lot of you are having query. Okay, so do we get the prizes instantly? Do we get the prizes instantly? Like, I completed the April month game. So how to claim the prizes? This question a lot of you are asking again and again. And I have already mentioned in my detailed videos also, but I want to create a separate video addressing all your common doubts over here. So once you complete the April month game, you won't be able to get the swags, because you need to understand that here, just like you have to buy any particular product. For example, you have to buy a vegetable, a particular amount. If you don't have a particular amount, for example, you are recharging with 899 plan, but you have only 400 rupees. Will you be able to recharge it? No. Similarly, for getting the swags, we need some arcade points. Okay, here are the arcade points, but these are not enough. And this time the point system will be updated and the price tier will be also updated. We are waiting for the official update. Okay, earlier minimum 25 points were required for getting a basic swags and 95 points for the highest tier swags. So these are the important things you need to understand, that just by completing the April game, May game, even June game, you won't be able to get the swags. If you have started from April, May, June, or even if started from January itself, then you'll be able to get some basic swags also. But for getting the swags directly just by completing a particular month, you won't be able to get the swags. And do not worry, in case you have missed the April month, you'll be having time till December. Yes, the upcoming doubt is regarding it, that what is the cohort system and when does the price counter open. So earlier there were two cohort. Okay, two cohorts were there. Now I think what they'll do, they'll just merge both the cohort into single one. Right, it will be merged as the price counter is merged. Earlier the price counter used to open in June also and in December also. Now it will open only once, that is in December. So on December, even if you have earned a particular point, like you have earned 25 points, as I said earlier, that was a sample example. You have earned 25 points. Now for claiming the prizes, you have to wait till December. Even if you have reached that particular point matrix, you have to wait for December for the price counter to open. Then only you'll be able to claim the swags. And yes, here comes another doubt, that can my swags deliver to any particular place, or can I get it delivered at my home also? So you can deliver anywhere, even if you are from India or different countries, wherever you put the location, your swags will be delivered. But as the shipping company is from India, here no KYC documents are required. And if you're from different countries, for example, you are from Indonesia, then you have to enter the same address which is present on your government ID, because they'll do some KYC things with the FedEx. Even with Nepal also, I think the situation is same. Okay. So mostly whatever courier they are using for international shipment. Okay, I'm not talking about Indian shipment. They require some KYC data. But here for Indian people who will be getting the swags like us, you don't have to do any of the things. Your swags will be delivered to anywhere across the country, wherever you want to get it delivered. So this is the important thing I wanted to share. Most importantly, the other doubt is that regarding the point system. So as of now, you can see all badges give one arcade point. Earlier there were some special games which used to give 2 points, 3 points, and much more. Over here you can see over here, now they have renamed and revamped all the system over here. So you might be confused, so that we are making updated videos again and again, so that you are able to understand the new system. Okay, now a lot of you are asking about the skill badges. Should we complete the skill badges or not? So the answer is that do not complete skill badges now. If you have completed, do not worry. For completing the skill badges, you are getting the points, because two skill badge give one arcade point. So if you have completed, do not worry about it. And the skill badges must be completed from January. If you have already completed in 2024 and thinking that the points will be added, no, because whatever badges you are earning will be counted from January itself. That is 5th of January 2026. If you have done into from this period till December, then you will be getting the point for the skill badges. Okay. Now, as of now, you have to avoid the skill badges. Why I'm saying? Because a new event that is known as the Arcade Facilitator program will be starting very soon, which will help you to earn more arcade points. Means instead of 5 points, you'll be earning 15, 25, 30, and even maybe if the system continues, you'll be able to reach 95 points within 2 months. Okay. So which will take around more months, because the points have been reduced. Okay, reduced. So this is the thing I wanted to update you regarding the skill points you have understood, regarding the point system you have understood, and the most importantly, the swags claim process. Now the next thing is that if you miss any month game, are you eligible for participation? Yes, you are eligible, because the April month game will be ending today only, that is 30th of April. And if you are watching this video in May, maybe May games are also live in May, and in June also June games will come. Whenever you are watching the video, if the games are live, you have to complete that games. There is no any kind of registration thing that you have to register, and if you miss, then you need to re-register over here. Just fill this subscription form. Click on it, enter the same email with which you have registered in this program. I've covered everything in detail over there. That's why I'm not making this video longer, so that you are not bored. You are getting every important information over here regarding the arcade program. So you can participate in any month and claim the swags. There is no issue. But for claiming the swags, you have to wait for the price counter to open in December. Nowadays, price counter, basically they have given it a fancy name. An email is sent to your register email in which you have completed all the badges and on the arcade points, and there you have to simply click on that link, enter all your address, and you'll be getting the swags very soon. Means you have to enter your details and you'll be getting the swags. It's simple, just like you order from Flipkart or Amazon or any e-commerce website. So these are the key things regarding the arcade program update. Now when will the game come for the May month? Mostly it may start from tomorrow also, or maybe by Tuesday it will start. Mostly by first week it generally they start the game, because time is very limited and points are also limited nowadays. So these are the important things I have covered. Most important thing, one more important thing I forgot to add, that a lot of you are asking, can we share the arcade points? Like, I am having 5 points, my friend is having 5 points, but he don't want to continue. So points are not shareable. It's strict to your own learning record, means you cannot share the arcade point. You can share the credits, okay, credits for completing the lab, but arcade points cannot be shared, so you have to earn by completing the badges, okay. And a lot of you are having one more query. Let me just show you, because I'm just making a detailed video, so I'm just covering everything so that you are able to understand each and everything over here. So when you open the game here, you'll see all the things are there. Like you can see, this is the start game, end game, sorry, start date, end date, times remaining, how much time is remaining, it will show over here, and the number of spots. So some of you are saying that the spots are, the game is not open for joining, I'm getting this kind of error. So what we have to do, in that case, you have to wait for the support team to get it fixed. You can mail them, they'll just add the spots and then you can join it. Most importantly, I want to share that whenever the game will be live in the May month, first of all, just join all the games and then you can complete it later on, because in this month you have seen the base camp removed, and one more game, that is the that page, what is it name, walk meet play has been removed. So like this, first of all, join all the games and then you can join and complete all the things. Now coming to the solution, how I'll find it, in the description box I've attached the master sheet. So this is our master sheet. Here we have covered everything in detail. So from here you have to just click on the monthly game sheet, and on the left side you'll find all the badges link, and on the right side the solution guide is there. So these are the all resources, all the important updates regarding the arcade program. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Goodbye and have a great day ahead. Thank you.